to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the world's most beautiful, luxurious, and inspiring homes. Today, we're bringing you inside a truly stunning residence that blends modern elegance, comfort, and timeless design. This home has been carefully crafted for stylish living, effortless entertaining, and everyday relaxation. As we begin, take a moment to admire this breathtaking drone day view. From above, the home immediately stands out with its clean architectural lines, premium materials, and perfectly balanced proportions. Surrounded by a peaceful neighborhood and lush landscaping, this property offers both privacy and prestige, an ideal combination for luxury living. Let's move toward the main entrance. The grand entryway welcomes you with a striking modern door, subtle stone detailing, and warm lighting that sets the tone for what's inside. This entrance doesn't just lead you into a house, it introduces you to a lifestyle. Stepping inside, the entry foyer feels open, refined, and instantly inviting. Polished floors, bespoke wall details, and soft ambient lighting create a sense of calm and sophistication. Every detail here has been thoughtfully chosen to make a strong first impression while remaining warm and welcoming. From here, we enter the heart of the home, the living room. This spacious area is designed for both comfort and style, featuring plush seating, elegant finishes, and large windows that flood the space with natural light. The neutral color palette, combined with soft glowing accent lights, creates a luxurious yet relaxing atmosphere. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this living space adapts beautifully to any moment. Adjacent to the living area is the stunning TV lounge. This space is perfect for movie nights and casual gatherings, featuring a large statement TV wall, custom cabinetry, and cozy seating. The layered lighting enhances the mood, giving the room a cinematic feel while maintaining a refined, high-end look. Now let's head into the kitchen, a true showstopper of the home. Designed with both beauty and functionality in mind, this kitchen features marble countertops, a spacious island, and high-end built-in appliances. The clean lines, soft under-cabinet lighting, and premium finishes make it a dream space for cooking, entertaining, or simply enjoying your morning coffee. Flowing seamlessly from the kitchen is the dining area. Centered around a stylish dining table and statement chandelier, this space is ideal for hosting elegant dinners or casual family meals. The design encourages connection and conversation, making every dining experience feel special. Moving further into the home, we arrive at the primary bedroom, a private sanctuary designed for rest and relaxation. The room features a luxurious bed, soft textures, and calming tones that instantly put you at ease. Large windows bring in natural light during the day, while warm lighting creates a cozy atmosphere at night. This bedroom feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a private residence. Connected to the bedroom is the beautifully designed bathroom. With marble walls, a modern bathtub, a glass shower, and soft LED lighting, this space offers a true spa-like experience. Every detail has been carefully considered to create a sense of luxury, comfort, and tranquility. This home also includes a fully equipped private gym, allowing you to stay active without ever leaving the house. Featuring modern equipment, mirror walls, and a clean, minimal design, this gym is both motivating and stylish. One of the most charming features of the home is the indoor swing area. This cozy corner adds a playful yet elegant touch, perfect for relaxing, reading, or simply enjoying a quiet moment. Soft cushions and warm glowing lights make it a standout space that adds personality to the home. Finally, we take a look at the garage, designed with the same attention to detail as the rest of the property. With polished floors, modern lighting, and ample space, it's both functional and visually impressive. This incredible home is a perfect example of how luxury design, thoughtful planning, and modern living can come together seamlessly. From the drone views to the smallest interior details, every space has been created with purpose and passion. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this luxury home tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more extraordinary homes, inspiring designs, and the very best in luxury living.